Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how to create a data transfer bridge, which could be used to transfer data from a legacy system to a new blockchain or any other system. Now, we're going to be using make.com and Overledger's integration to achieve that. So let's have a look at our make.com scenario and we'll see how it all works. So we start off reading from a smart contract using Overledger's read from smart contract module. So what we're going to do is read this total supply of wrapped ether. We do that by querying the wrapped ether smart contract for the total supply function name, and then we get back a uint 256 value telling us what the total supply is. Since the number that comes back is quite large, Make converts it to scientific notation, so we can just use the math extension to convert that back to regular numbers. And then we can prepare a smart contract transaction to write this data to our new blockchain. For our demonstration, we're going to use the Ethereum Sepolia testnet. I've created a basic smart contract which just takes the new total supply and updates the public function. So here we just supply the function name, and we're saying we're going to pass in uint 256, and we're taking the result value from the math function. The response from this is a prepared transaction here containing native data, which we need to do the transaction, but we need to convert that to JSON, and we use the transform to JSON module in Make to do this. Once that's converted to JSON, we create a sign a transaction Overledger module, and we take the JSON string created and put it into the native data. We can say we want to sign this transaction using the CTA environment. We supply the request ID that was given to us in the prepare response. The key ID is the account that's signing the transaction. That's my demo environment. And we're going to do this in the sandbox because, as I mentioned, this is the Sepolia testnet. Once we get a signed transaction back, we get our signed data. We will then pass that to the execute signed smart contract invoke transaction, where we give it the signed transaction and the request ID again. And that will then execute on the blockchain. And if we just run that through, you can see it executes each step along the way. Final step, we can have a look and get our Sepolia testnet transaction, and it's still being processed there. That'll probably take a few minutes or a few seconds to process. It'll be indexed, but we can then read the total supply and get our value. Thank you very much.